Hi everyone, welcome, and today I want to share with you three of the Christmas gifts I received yesterday from my husband, my sister-in-law, and for myself. So whenever I create my Christmas wish list, I kind of have specific things in mind. If it's fashion items, I have a vision of how I want to style myself for the next year, which is 2025. And to give you an idea of what that style is, it's kind of what I did today. So I want to wear more black and more of something that's in here. So I don't want to keep you waiting. Let's see the first item from Jacquemus. You already know that this is a bag. And here we go. Yes, it's a bold, very rich satin red bag. I love this. Wow. This is the Jacquemus Le Bambimou Bag, and it's a similar silhouette and style of the Le Bambino bag. The only difference is that this is puff versus the original Le Bambino is more structured bag. This is my third Jacquemus bag, and all of my three bags are from my husband's, and they were all Christmas gifts. So I feel like there's a pattern that every other year he gives me Jacquemus bag, and I will not complain because I love the brand. I like the simplicity of the silhouette, and they are very easily styled, casual or even dressed up. So with this bag, my vision is wearing more black outfit next year. I feel like I have not really worn black for a while since moving in Washington State for almost 7-8 years, I think, because it was gloomy there. But now that I've moved in Edmonton, I appreciate a lot of sunlight, and therefore I think I am going back into wearing black, and I think this is going to be perfect for those kind of outfit, including today's outfit. I love this. So this bag is the biggest Jacquemus bag I have, and so similar to the Le Bambino, it's just open space with a pocket here. But the only difference is that this one has two straps, a shorter one and a larger one. We have them here. Okay, so this is the shorter strap, which I've been loving top handle bag lately. This is perfect size, both top handle and shoulder bags. Very comfortable on the shoulder. So I'll probably use the shorter strap the most, but of course if I want something longer, and the longer strap is not adjustable, so here it is. If I want something longer, of course I could also have it. But for this style of the bag, I think this is like a cuddly bag, which I would love to carry like this, like hugging it. So I think this is more like a cuddle bag because it's super soft. So I imagine myself handling it like this, and again just holding it by hand or my shoulder. There you have it. This is definitely a very simple bag with a very nice rich red. This is definitely a statement piece that will upgrade any basic simple outfit, and that's what I'm planning to wear with this one. Just simple dress, or maybe all black top and jeans, and just this bag. I think it's going to be amazing, and I can't wait to rock this bag. I will create another video of what fits in here. It can definitely fit a lot more than wallet, car keys, and cell phone. But for now, let's continue with the next piece from my sister-in-law. Next item, you can probably guess what's inside here. It's a pair of shoes. And what makes me excited about this one is the color. I've already checked them earlier, but here they are. These are a pair of burgundy loafers. I definitely been loving wearing loafers this year. If you've seen my Hermes unboxing and my Christian Louboutin unboxing, you know that I bought 2 pairs of loafers this year, and I'm so excited to have this third pair. If you haven't seen those, I'll definitely link them in the description and comment below, so you can check them out after watching this video. So these are from Aerosoles, and I tried them earlier and they are super soft. The soles are super soft, very comfortable. For US brands, I'm usually 6.5, and for European, Italian or French brand, I'm 37. But this one, my sister-in-law got me 7, size 7, and they fit perfectly. They are very comfortable, not rubbing anywhere, and this color is amazing. I also love that she picked something that doesn't have a lot of hardware, because I like to keep my loafers simple, and these have a little hardware there, which is great, and the bottoms are rubber. So I told my sister-in-law that I want loafers that are burgundy, and I'm glad that she found this pair because they're amazing. I love them. I also love that they're kind of pointy toes, but not very pointy. So those are great. And I don't know if you've noticed, most loafer shoes that are on trend this year are super chunky heel. And I'm glad that these aren't. These are just very classic and timeless. I know that I'll be wearing these for the longest time. So glad to have it. And you could see here the color story that we are going for. More reds, more rich color, burgundy, to pair with black outfit, and that's what I'm excited about for 2025, because that's exactly how I envision my style going to be. In case you're interested to check this out, this is again from Aerosoles, and the model name is Era, and these are the color burgundy. So there is the info. You can check them out. I believe she got them from Nordstrom. So there's item number 2, and last but not the least is a gift I bought myself. So my gift for myself comes in this big box. Can you guess? Can you guess what it is? Okay. This is a dust bag, and this is a pair of cowboy boots. These are tall cowboy boots, and I don't know if you could notice, but this is like snake skin embossed. This is not a real snake. This is a leather, cow leather, but the snake skin's just embossed with rose embroidery. OMG, the details are gorgeous. And this is fully zipped top to bottom, so these are very easy to put on and off. OMG, can't wait to wear this. I don't know if you are keeping track of the Chinese New Year, but 2025 is the year of the snake, and that's exactly the year I was born. And so I'm feeling that bold snake energy. That's why when I saw this and the color, I thought it was perfect. Again, I've been telling you all throughout this video, this is exactly what I imagine myself wearing in 2025. More blacks, more red, more rich colors, burgundy, rich blue colors, rich brown colors, all those rich color with black. I think it's going to be amazing. And when I saw this, and this is, by the way, from a local store here in Canada, it's Lamels, and these boots are from Liberty Black, just in case you want to check them out. And I think these are amazing. I love boots. I love that it's snake embossed, and I love these embroidered roses. Oh my gosh, I feel so emotional about these boots. I love them so much. I can't wait to wear them exactly in this outfit I'm wearing right now, and I'm going to show you and you will see I am right. It's going to be amazing. So yeah, the size I got is size 7, and I think I paid about 230 Canadian dollars. That would be about 190, 180 US dollars. I think the price was great. It was on sale, and I don't know what else to tell you other than this looked amazing. I can't wait to wear like black skinny jeans with black top and this. I've been repeating myself so much, like all black outfit and all red burgundy accessories. So of course I'm gonna wear different colors, but yes, those are my power style for 2025. Oh my gosh. There you have it. Those are some of the gifts I received for Christmas. I have a few more that I will share with you later, but those are the ones I'm very excited about because, like I've said, I mean, you can probably tell how happy I am receiving those gifts. Of course, I'm very grateful for everything that I received, and you know, 2024 has been very amazing. And I am very excited about 2025. I'm excited about the fashion. I'm excited about my YouTube channel. I'm excited about my career, about my family, where we're heading next. It's going to be an amazing year, and I know if you are watching this, you can feel the positive energy. Yours is going to be amazing as well. You guys, thank you so much for being here. Merry Christmas. I appreciate you all watching my videos. It makes me happy when you engage with me, when you interact, when you comment on my videos. I want to have a special mention to Betty Boop. She's been there, like, you know, since I became active again in posting YouTube. And so I'm grateful to know you guys there as a friend. Some of the YouTube content creator like Nisa, you know, we don't really engage a lot, but whenever we do, I feel the genuine connection right there. And you know, every day I am very inspired with other content creators. I may not be able to mention their names, but they have been very influential, good influence in this YouTube journey that I'm trying to build for myself. And again, Merry Christmas. Thank you all. If you haven't subscribed yet and you like content like I share here, beauty, fashion, and great finds, please consider subscribing because I would love to have you here. Again, Merry Christmas, have a wonderful New Year, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.